Hello everyone, today we will be talking about the pTron Bassbuds Duo. But before we begin, let me just remove this wrapping. So there we have the box. So as you can see, there's a big image of the brand ambassador right over here at the center, and right below her you can see the Bassbuds Duo. You can see the branding of pTron at the top left corner, and moving on you can see some specifications right over here which I'll get into shortly. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So right off the bat, the first thing that we see here is an important notice card, and it's also a warranty card. As you can see right over here, you can scan this QR code right over here and you can avail the warranty. Moving on, I think there is another QR code right over here. So I think you'll register your Buds Duo. I think, no, wait, this is for your user guide. So if you scan this QR code, you'll get an online user guide. And moving on, we finally have our main product. So here we have the pTron Bassbuds Duo. Let me just take them out for you. There you go. So as you can see, it's of a very nice black color. It's pretty handy when you look at it, and it's pretty lightweight too. Moving on, you also have the case. Let me just take it out for you. So there you have the case. Let me just put the buds inside. So there's the case, and as you can see, the case gives you an extra ounce of charge. So once you have exhausted your buds, you can put them inside and they can charge it back. Now, speaking about the charge, these buds provides you with a 15 hours of runtime with the case. Basically, they provide you with a 300 mAh battery, and they require a 1.5 hour of charge time. So basically, after a 1.5 hours of charge, these buds can last for 15 hours. Moving on, let's talk about the other accessories present in the box. So they have provided you with a USB-C type cable right over here. There's a USB TypeC cable. There you go. And it's pretty short, just like the cables you get with every other earbuds. And moving on, they have provided you with extra pair of ear tips too, as you can see right over here. So there you have it. So they have provided you with 2 pairs of ear tips right over here, and based on your comfort, you can go with either one of the pair. So that's all folks. This is all about pTron Bassbuds Duo. Thank you so much for watching the video.